Anthony Visitacion. The Anthony Visitacion. Ay, di pa gusto lang kuya. Nag-work siya sa ABS-CBN sa sales, di ba, sir? Okay. So, of course, ini siya gamay pa ko Anthony Visitacion ni siya. Di ba kay DJ kasong una? Okay. And of course, he's the man behind the voice, the many right? Voices.
Yeah, and I remember during your accident, the Salong Kabangkalan tragedy, this was during my term as KBB chairman, and the whole Negros broadcast and print media bonded together to help our fellow broadcasters in whatever, assistance we could have given you during that time.
Ikaw that time thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay. So, sir, I mean, nag-transfer siya sa corporate world. Kagdra siya nag-retire sa corporate world. Ano ang masiling ka what made you proud kag tapos ka nakuha mo from ABS-CBN nga na-apply mo sa corporate world?
Well, I don't know. I come from a family of broadcasters, so being in radio is not a stranger to me. And bago man ako nag-retire sa BPO industry, 17 years with one big company. So I said to myself, after the age of 60, it's time own life.
60 ka na?
Hindi ba
You don't look like 60. You look like 59.
So here I am enjoying life.
Inatulo ka ni Manayo. X niya, X. I-focus yan sa X. Mas wala sa X. Hindi sa X. Dali na lang tawagan na lang. Ex-girlfriend, the wife. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. And kabalugi ko, together with Manay, nag-take effort gid kamo para matigayon. Thank you.
Thank you.